Even before the days of kings and queens, the children of many tribes came to me from the east, the north, the south, and the west. Nagas, Cookies, Shans, and Aryans. All these faces are facets of my face, the jewel of Manipur. I am the jewel of Manipur. The splendor of my mornings are a surprise, even to the gods. My heart is in the Loktak Lake. I love my floating islands and the fisher folk who live on them. Look for me in the curvaceous waterways and in the wings and movements of delicate birds. The fisher folk of the Loktak Lake, minstrels and ballad singers, still recall a legend of long ago. I was then the Princess Thoibi, and Kamba, a commoner, fell in love with me. Oh, the prejudices against him, and oh, the dangerous deeds he dared for me. His valor inspires young men to this day. When the men agitate the water of the lake and the women catch the fish, I feel once again the turbulence of the great love of Thoibi and Kamba so long ago. In the slowness of time is found the patience of woman. In the clear waters of Loktak, every woman of Manipur fishes today as Princess Thoibi did 1,000 years ago. As for the fish, who eats the succulent fish? Why, all of Manipur. In the Loktak Lake, sometimes even the menfolk do some work. It is said there are 5 elements in creation, but there is a 6th, my shadow. Come with me in the evening to the resting place of the wild bird whom no one knows. Away from sorrow, there is a nest for everyone. Another day and another week in the bazaar of Imphal, the capital of Manipur. They ask me, what have you to offer? And I answer, have you not eyes to see? This is the market of all marketplaces, conducted by my sisters of Manipur. Our fingers may hurt. Our shoulders are tired. Sometimes it takes months to weave each other, but we make fiber into dreams, and the dreams clothe our beautiful bodies. Here are gathered all my sisters of Manipur. We are all one. It takes many threads to make one design.